15th November onward, all the colleges and institutions or schools will be starting again in offline mode. Hopefully you have got that news already.
Yes, sir.
So maybe right 1 or 2 days you'll be getting the notice from government as well as from institution. Within this week you may be getting one notice that what would be the process by which we can start at our institution. Okay, whatever. Till then, last before the puja vacation, uh, we have discussed about the MSI chips, and we have discussed about various types of different circuits like multiplexer, adders, subtractors, priority encoder, parity bit generator, checker, comparator, all these things we have discussed. Now today, a particular part which is left in the MSI chip part, that is the fast adder. So we'll be discussing about that one, fast adder. What is that? A fast adder generally it comes for when the number of bits are quite more. It's not limited to 4 or not limited to 3. The number of bits are something like maybe 64 or 32 bit. So for that particular case, fast adders are being used. Fast, as you know, the computational speed is faster compared to a simple adder. Now, generally, as you know, that there are two types of addition operations can be performed. One is the serial adder. One is the serial adder. Another is the parallel adder. Now, in case of serial adder, in case of parallel adder, what we have already done, that is, suppose you are having 4-bit addition. That means you are having A0, A1, A2, A3, along with B0, B1, B2, B3. You want to add with some previous carry is there. So this is something 4 parallel lines, right? So these are the 4 parallel lines which contains 4-bit data like A0, A1, A2, A3 along with B0, B1, B2, B3. So these are actually called parallel adders. For serial addition, what generally we have got only one full adder. Only one full adder is there, and there are 2 lines. One is the A line, one is the B line. Okay, and there obviously there is a timing signal called a clock signal. Okay, clock signal is there. Along with maybe there is something previous carry. So carry in can be there, whatever. The point is the clock signal is kind of a timing signal. What is timing signal? We'll be discussing that one further. Right now, for your just simplicity of understanding, let you just think of that initially for the initial time, initially what will happen? A0, B0 will come in a same line, and accordingly S0 will come out. The carry which is being generated, that is again reverted back with a proper delay circuit. With a proper delay circuit, it will be reverted back. Okay. So that means we have to hold the carry. We have to hold the carry so that it can be added whenever A1, B1 is coming. That means at the very next time instant, we will be having A1, B1 as an input. So serially, the input is coming. A0 along with B0, initially it has come. It is added with that full adder. We are getting the S0. The corresponding carry we need to hold for some certain time period, so that whenever A1 B1 is coming, then this particular previously generated carry can be also inserted on that particular system, and again we are getting that time S1, and the C1 will be again holded up and will be again added when A2 B2 is coming, and so on. That means there we require only one full adder circuit along with some extra circuitry for such kind of serial addition. Obviously, the advantage is only one full adder is enough to get any bit output. Okay, but the outputs are time variant. That means initially we'll be getting S0 only. Then at the next time instant we'll be getting S1. Then at the next time instant we'll be getting S2 and so on. That means as per this clock signal is actually for maintaining that time inside that particular circuit. This clock signal is actually liable for making that serial operation serially. And making that operation serially, we require a clock signal. We'll be discussing about this, what is the delay circuit, what is the clock signal. We'll be discussing that one further whenever we'll be discussing about our particular sequential circuit. We'll be discussing that one. Right now, make sure that we require some delay circuit in order to hold my previous carry output, which is required to be added for next value. Okay, whatever. So let now come to the part of parallel addition. Suppose we are having something like this: A0, A1, A2, A3 along with B0, B1, B2, B3. Okay. So as you know that we can add parallelly with respect to 4 numbers of full adders. So 4 full adders are required for that case. Okay, so 4 numbers of full adders will be there. Right, so full adder 0, full adder 1, full adder 2, and full adder 3. Right. Along with that first one would be having A0, B0. Here you will be having A1, B1. Here you will be having A2, B2. And here you will be having A3, B3. Okay. So obviously, from in our previous case, we'll be having C in, or maybe it can be also written as C minus 1, whatever. So here we are having S0, which is coming out. The carry 0, C0 actually, is going to the next stage. So that is C0 generating the S1 or the sum 1. The carry which is being generated right over here is coming out to the next stage. Similarly, C2, here we are getting S2, and here we are getting S3, and the final carry out C3. So this is the process, right? And this sort of parallel circuit is called also ripple carry adder. This is also called a ripple carry adder or RCA. Ripple carry adder, short form RCA. Now, there exists a little bit of problem that if it is of 32-bit, that means 32 numbers of full adders you need to add, you need to place inside the circuit. And though at the very beginning you are having all 32 bits of A value as well as all 32 bits of B value, still until unless the first full adder produces C0, next full adder can't work, because it will require C0 in order to work. Similarly, until unless C1 gets generated, if A2 can't work, and so on, right? So as the number increases, the full adder numbers, so we are having that the delay is also increasing. Though we have initially included all the bits which we require to add, That means enter A value, enter B value. We can put at a time, but we need to wait for each and every full adder to work. And if there are 32 full adders, each are containing or each are consuming something delta t time to work, and that is the propagation delay of that particular full adder, delta t time. So for 32 bit, we require 32 delta t time, right? So that is quite huge time. Though we have initially provided my input, my output can be found only after 32 delta t time. It cannot be, you cannot get it, just fast as enough for 4-bit or 3-bit case. You have to wait for that particular time period to work to generate this carry. And the most important thing is that the delay is just for this reason: C0 followed by C1 followed by C2 followed by C3 and so on. That means in order to generate the carry, we need to wait, right? So that is why somehow for a higher bit of operations, somehow if we manage to generate the carry in some other sense, in order to reduce my total propagation delay of the circuit, so that can be beneficial, right? So for that, there are a few fast adder circuit principles which are actually proposed. And those fast adder circuits are generally carry select adder, number 2 is carry skip adder, number 3 is carry look ahead adder. Its short form is CSLA or CSA also. This is CSKA, carry skip adder, and this is CLA, carry look ahead adder. Okay. So we have to know the architecture of all these types of fast adders. All these types of fast adder circuits, we need to know what are the architecture of this. Okay. So that means how the carry can be used, or how the carry can be generated in a fast way, so that we can have a better propagation delay compared to ripple carry adder. And make sure the circuit becomes little bit more complex compared to simple RC adder. That is the simple RC adder. Circuit becomes even more complex for that one, but the delay becomes low. So that is why we are taking this one, and it is not applicable for lower bit of operation. Make sure all these fast adders are applicable for higher bit of operation. Whenever the operand is maybe 32 bit or 64 bit, then only we can go for such kind of carry select adder or carry skip adder or carry look ahead adder, such kind of architecture. It's not necessary for simple 4-bit or 2-bit additions. That time it will introduce more delay compared to RC adder. Okay, so let me start with first one, the carry select adder. Okay. So let me come to this one. I am making one carry select adder, CSLA. So let me draw the circuit first, circuit architecture first, then I'll be discussing about. Okay, so let we have an RC adder. Maybe 4-bit RCA. Okay, so here we are having something A value, which is from 0 to 3, and something B value also from 0 to 3. Okay, these are a bus connection. So bus connections are generally denoted by an arrow followed by some cut. Cut means obviously there are multiple lines are there. So four A lines, 4B lines are there, along with C in, the previous C in. So obviously here comes the output is some value as 0 to 3. Now, so if we go for the next stage, was carry select adder, we are actually using two RC adders right over here. Duto RC adder use korchi. So this is also one 4-bit RCA. This is another 4-bit RCA. Okay. Now, instead of directly carry input, here we are providing some carry input as 0 for the upper hand side RCA, and for lower hand side RCA, we are providing the carry input as 1. Directly, we are providing that one. We are not waiting for that particular C3 to come out. We are not waiting for that one. So here we are having again A value maybe from 4 to 7 and B value also from 4 to 7. Right. Okay. Now the scheme is something like this. This upper hand RC adder will be producing some sort of sum, right? Is 4 to 7. It is producing that one. And the second one, the lower hand side, will be also producing the same is 4 to 7. Right. The difference is that here we are taking 0 as our input for C in, and here the C in has been taken as 1. So this is the only difference we are having. Now we are producing, or we are placing one multiplexer. Just below that we are placing one multiplexer, where multiplexer is having something like all this case of inputs. This bus of input we are connecting with 0 line, and this bus of input we are connecting it with 1 line. Okay. Finally, we are having the bus of output is 4 to 7. Now, how we are selecting that one? So we are taking C3 out. So that was the C3 out. Now C3 is coming here as a select line right over there. C3 is right here to select. Now the point is, if C3 value can be either 0 or 1, this carry output from its this particular 4-bit RC adder, this can be either 0 or 1. If it is 0, then it will be selecting this upper hand RCA, and where the already we have given the C in as 0, and accordingly the sum values will be selected out. And similarly, if the C3 value is 1, then it will be selecting the lower hand RCA block, and accordingly it will be generating the sum values. Similarly, the carry values will be also as it is selected. The carry values are also selected in the same manner. Carry value টাও একই ভাবে selected হবে. It will be selected like in same manner. So that means if it is 0, then as per this RC adder, we are selecting the carry. And if it is 1, then we are selecting the carry from the lower hand RCA block. So this is my final C7. So same thing is repeated for the next stage also. For the next stage also, we are having 4 RCA, 4-bit RCA. Again, here also 4-bit RCA. There also you are having something 0. This is for selecting 0. This is for selecting 1. And this sum value is coming out. This sum value is also coming out. The sum values are actually from 8 to 11, right? So these are the sum values rightly from 8 to 11. This is also same. Okay. So I am getting it through some multiplexer again, where I am also connecting the C7 as a select line. Now, if C7 is 0, then the upper hand RCA bit will be selected, will be generating that sum as 4 to 7 for selection of 0, and for selection of 1. If C7 is 1, then this RCA bit will be selected, and accordingly this 4-bit additional output will be coming at the final stage. And similarly, the carry is also being selected. The carry bits are also selected as it is, and the carry would be at a 4 to 7. This would be 8 to 11, right? And the C11 will be the final carry, right? So C11 will be the final. So here the 4 cases are actually A, 8 to 11, B, 8 to 11, right? And so on. These stages can continue. Okay, so it's actually 12-bit already. Now you can again introduce the same block, another here, to make it 16-bit, another block to make it next 20-bit, and so on. Okay. What's the advantage, right, for here? Make sure that always the C3 will be generated after 4-bit of RC operation, right? So after 4 delta t time, we are getting the C3, right? In between 4 delta t time, already this S4:7 and S4:7, right, for these 2 lines has been already generated, because already you are having A 4:7 and B 4:7 in this particular blocks already. And by initially introducing 0 and 1, already the addition operation has been performed at 4 delta t time, right? So after 4 delta t time, already you are having this particular addition. Already. Now, once this 4 delta t time interval, you are getting C3. That C3 is selecting the final output, right? So the C7 you can collect right after 4 delta t. C7 ta kintu 4 delta t time pore tumi peye jaccho already. Whereas if you require simple RCA block, simple RCA adder, if you are introducing simple RCA adder, then it require koto time lagbe 8 delta t time, right? Because that time continuously like this kore jete thakbe. So continuously you will be having 8 delta t time to get C7, right? But here we can see, we can get the output right after 4 delta t. Whenever C3 is generated, directly you are getting C7 as well as all these sum values. That means S0 to 3 and 4, S4 to 7, right? Even if it would be better, if you are considering the next one, right? So already you are having this part 8 to 11, already the addition has been performed. Right after 4 delta t, whenever the C7 has been generated, 4 delta t pore C7 ta peye gecho tumi, that C7 automatically will generate C11 as well as S8 to 11. So that means we are getting that the entire delay of this circuit is limited to 4 delta t, or maybe 4 delta t with very little bit amount of time, which is gaining by this particular multiplexer. Khub samanyo ekta shomoy lagche, but maybe that can be neglected also. That means 4 delta t time badi tumi peye jaccho. So that means though we are increasing the number of bits operand, still we are getting the outputs right after 4 delta t, which is the initial delay for RC adder, right? So in this way, such kind of carry select adder works. এইভাবে carry select adder টা কাজ করে. Any query for this? Any query for this? Is that clear?
Yes.
This architecture
Yes, sir.
you have to remember this architecture. এই architecture টা একটু মনে রাখতে হবে. And you need to explain that one. তোমাকে explanation টাও মনে রাখতে হবে. And this is for 12-bit. You can introduce some other bits also. So 16-bit can also be done in this way. So that is something like carry select adder. Okay. So come to the next one. This is number 1. Okay, so now number 2 is carry look ahead adder. Maybe we are going for carry look ahead adder, CLA first, and then we'll be coming back to carry skip adder. Okay. So for carry look ahead adder is entirely different way of understanding. Okay. So for that, let we draw the truth table first for a simple full adder. And as we know that the main problem is occurring for carry, let we try to make the carry with some other logic. Okay. So the carry is 00001 followed by 0111. Right. This is the carry. Fine. Now, if you look after this and if we would like to take these outputs in some other way, so it shows that whenever A, B both are remaining 1, whenever A, B both are remaining 1, then output carry is becoming 1, right? Okay, so we can write it down. Carry is whenever A, B both equal to 1. So we can write down A dot B first. Okay, we can write it down. So these two can be defined in this way. Now still there are another two where A or B both are different in nature. And the point is when A, B both are different in nature, for these two cases, A and B both are different in nature, and C value is 1. C value is 1. So A, B both are different and C value is 1. How to logically express that one? A, B both are different. We have to make sure that it should produce some 1, and then we need to AND it with C in. So A, B both are different. Where can we get that output high? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. If we take this one, so this is something like an XOR operation. So if A, B both are different, then my output is 1, right? Right. So we can write it down like this. A, X or B, A, B both are different. Along with C value is 1. So dot C in. You can write it down like this. Okay. So you can take it like this, that if A, X or B along with C in is there and C in, so then also carry should be 1. So we have already defined all these 4 cases. The cases are output would be high, carry bit would be high. Either A dot B is there plus A XOR B dot C, right? So this is the process, right? Now, here what we generally get, যেটা আমরা দেখছি, if we look after this, for A and B, both these are the main two bits. This is actually the carry input bit, right? This is the previous carry input bit, something a block of a full adder, right? Maybe I'm drawing right here. Draw a block of a full adder. These are the main bits A, B. C is the carry input from the previous stage, right? So this is a full adder. So it's producing sum and carry, sum and carry. Now, if A, B both are 1, then the carry it is generating. Irrespective of C in previous carry input is 1 or 0, it will not matter. If A, B both are remaining 1, automatically the carry will be generated. As you can see, if both A and B are 1, irrespective of the value of C in, output carry will be 1. So that is why this particular A dot B, this term is called actually carry generate. So it is actually generating the carry. It's called the carry generate, generally denoted by G. Generator G. Okay. And if you look after this, this term, that means for these two cases, if these two are different in nature, then the carry input is actually propagating towards the output. If carry input is 1, output carry is also 1, right? If carry input is 0, output carry would be also 0, right? You can see right over here, AB different, carry input is 0, output carry is also 0. AB different, carry input is 0, output carry is also 0. So that means if A and B both are different in nature, এটা যদি different হয়, so then the carry previously, what was the carry যেটা ছিল, that is actually propagating towards the result, right? So that is why it's called carry propagate. It's called a carry propagate, or generally denoted by P. Okay. So we can write it down, this carry term, in a smaller pattern. We can write it down like this. A carry, corresponding carry, Ci is equal to, we can write it down like this as maybe Gi plus this term carry propagate Pi, this term is carry propagate Pi dot, that's the carry I minus 1, right? Just previous carry. Okay. So this term is actually carry propagate term. A beta hoche A dot B is the carry generate term, and A XOR B is the carry propagate term. This term is actually the carry propagate term. So we can write it down. It is Gi plus Pi dot Ci minus 1. Now it can be written like this. Instead of I, you can put 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. You can write it down like this. So let me write down that one. So initially for I value 0, you can write it down as C0 equal to G0 plus P0 dot C 0 minus 1. So that means minus 1, which is nothing but the initial carry input, right? Instead of C in, I can also write it down as C minus 1. আমি এটাকে C minus 1 লিখতে পারি, because the next one is C0, which is generated. So before that it is C minus 1. I can write it down like this also. Okay. Similarly, C1, যে কোনো একটা stage, C1 can be written like this: G1 plus P1 dot C0. C2 can be written as G2 plus P2 dot C1. C3 can be written like this: G3 plus P3 dot C2 and so on. এইভাবে লেখা যেতেই পারে পর। Okay. So that means you can write it down in such a manner. আমরা এইভাবে লিখতে পারি। Is that clear up to this? Is that clear? In general sense, we can write it down. It is GI, carry generate, plus carry propagate dot previous carrying, আগের carrying টা. We can write it down like this. এটা আমরা লিখতে পারি, তাই তো? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let we find out starting from C1. Okay. Because here it is G0, that means A0 B0 plus A0 X or B0, right? P0 is nothing but A0 X or P0, right? তো এখানে আমি ছোট্ট করে লিখে রাখছি G0 is equal to A0 dot B0, right? P0 is equal to A0 X or B0. Okay. C minus 1 is the initial carrying, right? So that is the first one. Similarly, G1 here is nothing but A1 X or B1. And P1 is equal to A1 X or B1, right? G2 can be equal to A2 dot B2. P2 is equal to A2 X or B2, right? Similarly, G3 is equal to A3 dot P3 and P3 is equal to A3 X or B3 and so on, right? Make sure that all these values, এই সবকটা ভ্যালু গুলো কিন্তু initially, whenever you are starting your operation, these values are present. এই ভ্যালু গুলো চলে আসছে, right? So that means all are taking and one gate time delay. এটা একটা AND gate, এটা একটা XOR gate. So one gate time delay is for all cases. এই P0 G0, P1 G1, P2 G2, P3 G3. This will require only one gate delay. একটা গেটের যা delay. If XOR gate delay is little bit more than AND gate delay, so that is the maximum delay we are having, right? But what about the next one? C1, C0. এটা কি লিখেছি? C minus 1, C0, C1, C2. Let we try to find out that one. How can we write down this thing? So let we start with C1 first. This term C1. C1 টা কি বেরিয়েছে? It is nothing but G1 plus P1 C0. Okay. Now C0, already we have got this thing, right? Already this one is our C0. So we can replace it. We can replace as G1 plus P1 into C0 জায়গাটা আমি এটা লিখতে পারি G0 plus P0 C minus 1, right? We can write it down like this. এটাকে আমরা এইভাবে লিখতে পারি, or else also you can write it down same as this G1 plus P1 G0 plus P1 P0 C minus 1. So that is my C1. What I have done, কেন এটা করলাম? Because this all P and G values, যাই হোক না কেন, that is we are finding out এই সবকটাই জিনিস চলে আসছে right after one gate delay. একটা গেটের যতক্ষণ ডিলে হয় তারপরেই we can find out all these p and g values, যত p and g ভ্যালু আছে ওটা কিন্তু আমরা পেয়ে যাচ্ছি। and this is c minus 1, যেটা তো প্রথমে ইনিশিয়ালি আমার হাতে ছিল, right? so c1 can also be found at 1 clock delay, একটা ক্লক ডিলের বাদে আমি এইগুলো সবকটা পেয়ে গেছি, প্লাস দিস দ্য সেকেন্ড ক্লক ডিলে, এন্ড অপারেশন করার জন্য যে ক্লক ডিলেটা হচ্ছে দ্যাট ইজ দ্য সেকেন্ড ক্লক ডিলে, এন্ড থার্ড ক্লক ডিলে ইজ ফর অর অপারেশন। তার মানে তিনটে ক্লক ডিলে বা তিনটে ডিলের পরে তিনটে ডেল্টা টি টাইম বাদে আই ক্যান গেট c1 পেয়ে যাচ্ছি। সিমিলারলি c2, now come to c2. c2 is nothing but, here it is written g2 plus p2 dot c1, so that is g2 plus p2 dot c1, that is, so I can write it down. c1 can be written like this, c1 টাকে আমি এটা লিখে নিতে পারি, so that is g2 plus p2 into this one, right? g1 plus p1 g0 plus p1 dot p0 dot c minus 1, okay? or else পুরোটা যদি আমি ব্র্যাকেটটা তুলে দিই, so that is g2 plus p2 g1 plus p2 p1 g0 plus p2 p1 p0 dot c minus 1, right? This one, this is actually your c2. Similarly c3, again all this p and g will come right after one delay, একটা ডিলের পরেই চলে আসছে, and again the c2 টা যেটা, that is also dependent upon c minus 1. It is not that it has to depend upon c1 এর উপর ডিপেন্ড করতে কিন্তু হচ্ছে না, it is actually depending upon একদম very initial যেটা ছিল সেটার উপরে ডিপেন্ড করতে হচ্ছে। Similarly c3, which was g3 plus p3 c2, let me write down that one, g3 plus p3 c2, so that c2 can be replaced by this, again same way, g3 plus p3 multiplied by g2, p2 g1 plus p2 p1 g0 plus p2 p1 p0 dot c minus 1. So you can write it down, c3 is equal to g3 plus p3 g2 plus p3 p2 g1 plus p3 p2 p1 g0 plus p3 p2 p1 p0 dot c minus 1. This is my c3 value, okay, and so on. এইভাবে কিন্তু continuously it will be moving like this. So make sure that all these cases we are having c0 c1 c2 c3, that is not dependent upon its previous carry output, মানে যেটা রিপিল ক্যারির ক্ষেত্রে মেন সমস্যা হচ্ছিল, the c3 is dependent upon c2, যতক্ষণ না c2 বেরোচ্ছে ততক্ষণ c3 বেরোতে পারবে না, c2 was dependent upon c1 and c2 is actually dependent upon c in, মানে এই চলতে 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 তবে c2 জেনারেট করবে, তার উপরে ডিপেন্ড করে c3 বেরোবে, but here all the carry are directly dependent upon একদম ইনিশিয়াল যে ক্যারিটা আছে c-1 এর উপর ডিপেন্ডেন্ট আছে, c-1 ছাড়া বাকি যেগুলো আছে all are actually producing by one clock, one gate delay, একটা গেটের পরে কিন্তু ওটা বেরিয়ে আসছে, ঠিক আছে? So that is the main job, okay? So now obviously we require to make the architecture. The architecture is little bit complex. The architecture take too complex. So for that, let we have and this is actually useful, as I have mentioned. This is not useful for simple 4-bit addition. 4-bit এর জন্য এটা useful নয় অবশ্যই. It's for multiple bit operand. It is useful. So what we have to do, we are actually making A0 along with B0 দুটো নিলাম. Similarly A1 B1 নিলাম. Similarly A2 B2 নিলাম. And we are also taking A3 B3. As simple as that. Okay. So there will be one XOR gate to produce P0, right? And there will be one AND gate to produce my G0, right? And same for every case. One XOR gate to produce P1, another AND gate to produce G1. One XOR gate to produce P2, another AND gate to produce G2. One XOR gate to produce P3, another AND gate to produce G3. Okay, so this is something we are having initially. All this P0, P1, P2, P3, G0, G1, G2, G3. This we are having. What inside? This is actually one CLA block. Carry look ahead header block. Okay, so this is one particular block where the input are P0, G0, P1, G1, P2, G2, P3, G3. These are the inputs. And what we are actually having the another input, that is C-1. C-1 টা আরেকটা input এখানে আছে. Because we know that we require all this carry generate and carry propagate cases. Carry generate আর carry propagate টা লাগছে শুধু, right? Along with C-1 এইটা লাগছে আমাদের. What would be the output? Output is nothing but if we have to make our sum output. আমাদের যদি sum output টা লাগে, so what we will be doing? We'll be taking the P0, which is nothing but A XOR B, along with C-1. XOR get করে দিলাম, we are getting S0. Okay. Similarly, the S1, how can it be generated? The S1 can be generated. There are two, one output right from here, that is C1. C1 টা তো already generate করেছি আমরা. C1 is this one, that is G1, P1, G0, P1, P0, C-1. এটা আমরা generate করব inside this CLA block. CLA block এর মধ্যে এটা generate করছে. So we are having this C1 output along with this P1. Along with this P1. এই P1 টাই আসছে. নিয়ে আবার XOR করে দেব. We are having S1. Right? So A1 B1 এর সঙ্গে তার আগের ক্যারিটা just XOR করলেই we are getting the S1. Similarly C2 P2 দিয়ে C2 P2 XOR we are getting the S2 C2 P2. And similarly C3 P3 XOR to get S3. And finally we will be having C4. যেটা বেরোবে সেটা C4 হবে. And so on. Okay. Now how to get C1? C1 টা কিভাবে আসছে? As you have already got this thing that C1 can be generated. The C1 can be generated G1, P1, G0, P1, P0, C-1. এইটার দিকে আমাদের করতে হবে। So initially inside that you will be having some complex circuit, এর মধ্যে একটা ছোট্ট সার্কিট থাকে, that is for C1, for generation of C1. তাহলে কি হচ্ছে P1, প্রথম হচ্ছে G1. So let we have one AND gate, another AND gate. So for first AND gate it is P1 G0, এই P1 টা, this P1 along with G0, this is coming. Okay, and for second AND gate, that is P1 P0, that is P1, this P1 along with P0, it is coming, and we are having another C minus 1, so that is also directly with this. Okay. And we are having the OR operation. এর সামনে একটা OR operation হয়। So OR operation, these two outputs, এই দুটো আউটপুট দিয়ে OR হয়, along with G1, along with G1, right? So G1 already has been generated. This is coming right here, right? This is producing the C1. Okay. Now, similarly, all this C2, C3. So how many gates are there? How many gate stages are there? This is the one gate stage. This is the one gate stage, make sure, right? Where initially inputs are provided and you are having this operation, XOR operation and AND operation. একই সঙ্গে দুটো হচ্ছে। Maybe this first stage is consuming delta t time. Maybe this is consuming delta t time. Delta t time বাদে এটা হচ্ছে। Okay. Then this is the next stage যেখানে AND operation গুলো হচ্ছে সবকটাতে, right? So that is maybe consuming another delta t time, followed by one OR operation, another delta t time, right? Followed by one XOR operation final, another delta t time. But if we are consuming that all the gates are having the same delay, so that means whatever be the bit length, যতই বড় bit length হোক না কেন, the delay for producing all these S0, S1, S2, S3, S4 and so on along with the carry is 4 delta t time, because this is the first block যেটা কিনা parallel কিছু gates আছে। So this is consuming delta t time. ধরে নিচ্ছি আমি একটা XOR gate delta t time দেরি হয়। Similarly for one AND gate also it's delta t. So that is the time. Similarly AND array আছে, এখানে AND array, নিচে C2 এর জন্য also will be having few AND arrays, likely right for here. AND operation গুলো তো করতে হবে। So this will be also maybe having প্রত্যেকটা গেটে delta t time লাগছে। So this parallel, and these are actually parallelly done, right? এই AND operationটা যখন হবে, এই AND operationটাও তখন হয়ে যাবে, and this AND operation will be also performing in same time. So that means these are parallel, একই সঙ্গে হয়ে যাচ্ছে। After that one OR operation, right? And this is the OR operation. So এখানে একটা delta t, and for ANDing then followed by another OR gate, that is another delta t time. So here one delta t, the AND gates are taking one another delta t, the OR gates are consuming one another delta t time. So delta t plus delta t plus delta t, along with final that XOR gates, it is also consuming one another delta t time. So that means we are having 4 gate delay, 4টে গেটের যা ডিলে হচ্ছে সেই ডিলেতেই আমার আউটপুটটা পেয়ে যাচ্ছি আমি। Irrespective of, মানে most important thing is that it is irrespective of how many bits you are using, কতগুলো বিট অপারেন্ড নিয়ে কাজ করছো। বিকজ যদি এটা 16 বিটের ক্ষেত্রে হয়, ইউ ক্যান ইমাজিন যে 16 বিটের ক্ষেত্রে হলে দেয়ার উইল বি হ্যাভিং দিস CLA ব্লক উইল বি মোর অ্যান্ড মোর, অনেকটা চওড়া হবে, and but still you will be having 4 delta t time বাদেই তুমি আউটপুটটা পাবে। Whereas in case of simple RCA adder, একটা ব্লকে কাজ হবে, দুটো ক্লক, মানে সরি তোমার একটা XOR গেট আর একটা AND গেট, একটা ডেল্টা টি টাইম, দুটোর জন্য দুটো ডেল্টা টি টাইম, তিনটের জন্য তিনটে ডেল্টা টি টাইম, চারটের জন্য চারটে, পাঁচটার জন্য পাঁচটা, ছটার জন্য ছটা। And similarly for 64 number of operands, 64 delta t time will be required, which is quite large compared to this one. But obviously this circuit is little bit complex. মানে circuit এর power consumption টা কিন্তু বেশি হবে. So that is why such kind of CLA block, or even if this carry select adder circuit, these are not useful for simple 4-bit addition. Simple 4-bit addition এর জন্য এগুলো useful হয় না। But these are useful for higher bit of operation. যখন আমার at least 16 bit or 32 bit or 64 বিটের অপারেশন যখন হচ্ছে, তখন এটা ডিলেটাকে কমাতে পারছে। It can reduce the delay, and that's why it's called a fast adder. Am I clear? This one, this CLA architecture, carry look ahead architecture. Am I clear? Am I clear this one? Don't go for this one যে স্যার এখানে এত কমপ্লেক্স সার্কিট করার থেকে why not we use this one, that C1 is generated from C0. Why shouldn't we use that one? No, we are not going to use that one. আমরা ওটা ইউজ করব না। We are going to make C1 right from C-1. We are going to use C2 right from C-1. মানে C-1 থেকে যেটা ইনিশিয়ালি আমার এসছে সেখান থেকেই আমি বের করব, কিন্তু I'll be getting that one. আমরা সেখান থেকেই ওটাকে বের করব, তার আগে থাক থেকে নয়। মানে just not from any serial operation. We'll be taking all the carries right starting from C-1, which was initially included in the circuit. C-1 টা দিয়েই আমরা কিন্তু পুরোটা করব। বাকিটা দেখো পুরোটাই ক্যারি জেনারেট আর ক্যারি প্রপাগেটেড টার্ম আছে। There is no more C term there. অন্য কোনো C term নেই। Is that clear? Is that clear, this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ভালো। Now let we come to the next one, যেটা হচ্ছে carry skip, CSKA, carry skip adder. Next one, the last one. Okay. So for this we are also using the same, that is your particular carry propagate logic. We're also using that one. So let we have these blocks A0, B0. I'm using for 4-bit A1, B1. A2, B2. And A3, B3. Okay. So now, obviously, this is C-1 initial carry input. This is the full adder, FA0, FA1, FA2, FA3. Okay, so all correspondingly we are propagating this carry. যেমন normal RC adder হয় ঠিক সেই রকম, they are actually providing this carry. ঠিক আছে, they are actually providing this carry. Also we are having one output right from here, which is carry propagate, right? So initially this is S0 and this is P0. What is carry propagate? Carry propagate is A XOR B. Right? Carry propagate is A XOR B. Right? আমরা carry propagate টাকেও নিচ্ছি। So S0, P0. similarly S1 P1, S2 P2, and from here S3 P3. Okay, এইগুলো আছে. What we are doing actually, all this P0, P1, P2 and P3, all these carry propagate lines, are making an AND operation between these four. এগুলোর থেকে আমরা একটা AND operation করে নিচ্ছি. And then the AND gate output can be either 0 or 1. That we are actually driving one multiplexer. Select line. So এই multiplexer একটা select line কে আমরা drive করছি. That multiplexer is either having this case, that means directly C -1 is coming, and also we are having this final carry output. 8 একটা আসছে. So this is for 1 and this is for 0, which is actually finally generating C3. Now, what is that? As we know that suppose we are having A0 equal to B0. If A0 equal to B0, that can be either 0 0, both either can be 0 0, or that can be either 1 1. এটা 0 0 হতে পারে অথবা 1 1 হতে পারে. ঠিক আছে. আর আরেকটা পসিবিলিটি আছে when A0 is not equal to B0. When A0 is not equal to B0, যখন A0 B0 টা সমান নয়, then this P0 output will be high. P0, P1, P2, P3, because these are the XOR operations, right? A0 আর B0 যদি সমান না হয়, তাহলে আমার P0, P1, P2, P3 মানে যেটার corresponding সমান হবে না. If A0 B0 is not equal to each other, A1 B1 is not equal to each other, A2 B2 is not equal to each other, A3 B3 is not equal to each other, এগুলো যদি একটা আরেকটার সঙ্গে সমান না হয়, so then make sure that P0, P1, P2, P3 will become high. Suppose like this, যে আমার A0 B0 টা সমান আছে কিন্তু A1 B1 টা is not equal to each other, right? Similarly A2 B2 টা is not equal to each other, and so on. Make sure that if these two are not equal, এই দুটো যদি সমান না হয়, তাহলে কি হতে পারে? either 0 plus 1 হবে অথবা 1 plus 0 হবে, right? যে কোনো একটা হবে, right? If these two are not equal, either 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0, right? And then that time, obviously, with this particular block, carry is not generating. এই ব্লকটা থেকে ক্যারিটা জেনারেট করছে না, বিকজ একটা 0 একটা 1, এর থেকে তো ক্যারি জেনারেট করতে পারে না, বিকজ 1 plus 0 no carry generated, 0 plus 1 no carry generated, right? এখান থেকে আমার কিন্তু ক্যারি জেনারেট সেক্ষেত্রে হয় না. So how the carry can be come out? ক্যারিটা তখন কিভাবে আসতে পারে? If C-1 is high, মানে ইনিশিয়ালি আগে থেকে একটা ক্যারি আছে, তবেই একমাত্র হতে পারে, আদারওয়াইজ কিন্তু হতে পারে না. So that means, make sure about this one. If we are having যে আমার both are not equal to each other, দুটো কিন্তু আমার সমান নয়, so then carry can be generated, carry generate করতে পারে if and only if C-1 is actually, মানে এই যে লাইনগুলো, this line is actually carrying some carry because 1 plus 0 1 হবে এবার যদি তার corresponding ইনপুটটা মানে carry ইনপুটটা if it is 1 then 1 plus 1 then carry will be generated otherwise not or else we can say that A0 B0 if it is not equal if C minus 1 is 1 then the carry will be right over here খুব ভালো করে যেটা বোঝো if A0 B0 is not equal to each other এটা একটা আরেকটার সঙ্গে সমান নয় if it is not equal to each other then C minus 1 this will come to the output of the carry এইটা এখানে চলে আসার কথা right because if it is 0 then this carry will be also 0 if this is 1 then this carry will be 1 right similarly same way A1 B1 যদি same না হয় if these two are not equal then also this carry is supposed to come here right or else we can say if both are equal এই দুটোই যদি সমান না হয় that means A0 B0 is not equal to each other along with A1 B1 is not equal to each other এই দুটোও নিজেদের সঙ্গে সমান নয় এই দুটোও নিজেদের সঙ্গে সমান নয় so overall the C minus 1 is coming right here একই জিনিস আসবে and so on so if all four A0 B0 A1 B1 A2 B2 A3 B3 these are not equal to each other এইগুলো যদি একটা আরেকটার সঙ্গে সমান না হয় so then we can say this C minus 1 is the final carry output right this C minus 1 is the final carry output so why we require to flow the entire carry through this full adder আমি full adder এর মধ্যে দিয়ে ওটাকে পাস করাতে যাব কেন I'll not use that one instead of that let I directly provide that one in a multiplexer let I directly provide that one in a multiplexer and let me assume that okay এই দুটো সমান নয় so that means P0 is high P1 is high P2 is high P3 is high so that means this will be producing high output and this C minus 1 will be directly generating the C3 whatever C minus 1 এর যা ভ্যালু থাকবে এটা যদি 1 হয় তাহলে এটা 1 এটা যদি 0 হয় this will be 0 okay as simple as that so that means only you are adding and this carry is actually your generating the final carry whatever the C minus 1 if C minus 1 is 0 it will be 0 if it is 1 then it will be also 1 right this is one case and that case come in many session অনেক সেশনেই এটা আসতে পারে right যে আমার এইগুলো সমান নয় A0 এর সঙ্গে B0 সমান নয় A1 এর সঙ্গে B1 সমান নয় A2 এর সঙ্গে B2 সমান নয় A3 এর সঙ্গে B3 সমান নয় likely maybe like this 1 0 1 0 followed by 0 1 0 1 if we would like to add this thing right এটা আমি add করছি so simply the final carry will be dependent upon what the C in you are providing right over here or C minus 1 whatever you are providing if C minus 1 is 1 then the carry will be 1 otherwise if C minus 1 is 0 make sure that the no carry will be generated so that means it depends upon C minus 1 only right so what we are trying to do we are taking all this carry propagate signal আমরা carry propagate what is carry propagate signal it's as simple as that A B XOR operation because we know that from the sumটা কিভাবে generate করে sum is actually generated by AB XOR along with C right so two XORs operation so this is actually your particular P0 right or P carry propagate signal this is actually that particular value এটা তো ওটার জন্য এক্সট্রা কোনো সার্কিটরি দরকার পড়ে না it doesn't require any extra circuit automatically it will be generated so that the tap I am getting out P0 P1 P2 P3 and once that is coming out if these two are not equal this AND gate becomes 1 and it will not at all working upon this path এই পাথটা তখন আর দরকারই পড়বে না this will not go for that one so what else it will have to do the carryটাকে জেনারেট করার জন্য আমার শুধুমাত্র this C minus 1 is enough. C minus 1 যদি 1 হয়, the carry would be 1. C minus 1 is 0, the carry would be 0. Rest. অন্যান্য ক্ষেত্রে মানে it's not possible যে always all these values are not equal to each other. এরা যে সব সময়তেই উল্টোই হবে, মানে 1 এর সঙ্গে 0 বা 0 এর সঙ্গে 1 বা 1 এর সঙ্গে 0, 0 এর সঙ্গে 1 এরকমই যে থাকবে তার তো কোনো মানে নেই। কিছু কিছু ক্ষেত্রে হয়তো সমান হতে পারে। If these two are equal, এই দুটো যদি সমান হয়, if these two are equal in each other, suppose these two are equal, এই দুটো সমান, right? So then এই দুটো যদি সমান হয়, এই দুটো অসমান, মানে these two are not equal. If these two are not equal, then these two carries are not generating. এই দুটো carry তো generate করছে না। Make sure about this one. If this is 0, this is 1, obviously, irrespective of C minus 1, C minus 1 টাকে যদি আমি বাদ দিই, this will not generate any carry because 1 plus 0 can't get any carry. 0 plus 1 can't get any carry. 1 plus 0 তো carry generate করবে না, 0 plus 1 তো carry generate করবে না। So these two are not generating any carry. Now these two are equal. এই দুটো equal হয়েছে। That can be either 0, that can be either 1. Both are equal in sense. If these two are 0, 0, it will not generate also any carry. এটাও carry generate করবে না, but if these two are 1, 1, then it will be producing the carry. তখন এটা কিন্তু carry generate করবে। That will be followed. Accordingly, this AND gate will produce 0 and যেখান থেকে carry generate করছে সেখান থেকে আমার carry forward হবে। And accordingly, যা carry generate করবে that will be coming towards the output because the select line that is selecting this below C3 line, নিচে C3 লাইনটাকে সিলেক্ট করবে, that will be the output. So make sure that the worst case will come when A0 is not equal to B0. Worst case, সব থেকে খারাপ সময় আসবে যখন A0 equal to B0 হয়ে যাবে। So then carry has to be propagated from first stage to second stage to third stage to fourth stage, all cases সব স্টেজেতেই আমার propagate করাতে হবে। And that will be consuming the same delay as it is like RCA. As it is like RCA, right? But for every other case, it will be consuming less time. Why? যদি A0 not equal to B0 হয়, so then it is not generating any carry. Carry to generate করছে না। It is not, if A1 is not equal to B1, then also it is not generating any carry. এটাও তো carry generate করছে না, right? If these two are not, these two is equal, these two are equal, এই দুটো সমান, তাহলে then the carry is actually generated right from this stage. এই stage থেকে carry generate করছে। And then you are having মানে this block is to wait for this particular full adder to work. মানে তখন একটা ফুল অ্যাডারের ওয়ার্ক করার উপর ডিপেন্ড করে লাস্ট ফুল অ্যাডারটা কাজ করছে, and so on, right? And the worst case যখন আমার এই ফার্স্টেরটাই হয়তো সমান নয়, এই সরি ফার্স্টেরটাই সমান, তখন আমার আরসি এর মতন পরপর পরপর ক্যারি প্রপাগেট করিয়ে নিয়ে যেতে হবে। বাট মেক শিওর দ্যাট the probability of getting this two equal is quite less. এইটা ইকুয়াল হওয়ার চান্সটা অনেকটাই কম, 50% চান্স, রাইট? সো 50% কেসে তো আমি স্কিপ করাতে পারছি। The 50% কেস আই ক্যান স্কিপ দ্য ক্যারি। এই দুটো ইকুয়াল হবে না 50%ও তো নয়, হ্যাঁ 50%। 50% case that these two can be equal. Rest of the 50%, these two cannot be equal, right? So for 50% case, the timing I can reduce, right? As per probability factor, the timing can be reduced for 50% case. So this is also another way of reducing the time delay of propagating the carry output. So this is one block. Make sure that again it can be repeated, এই একই ব্লক রিপিট করা যায় for next 4 bit, for next 4 bit, 4 bit করে জেনারেলি করা হয়, and so on. 4 bit করে we repeat this thing likely like this carry look carry select adder এর ক্ষেত্রে যেমন, so we are selecting this RCA block, so blocks are actually generating and then we are selecting. Similarly for carry skip also 4 bit করে we take this 4 bit along with 4 bit এই 4 bitটা নিয়ে একটা হলো, along with another 4 bit. The same circuit we are repeating. Okay, and so on. So for worst case হবে যেটা সেটা হচ্ছে all this তোমার যতগুলো আছে A0 A1 A1 B1 A2 B2 A3 B3 এই সমস্ত কটা ভ্যালু বা এর পরেও A4 B4 A5 P5 সব কটা ভ্যালুই যদি ইকুয়াল হয়ে যায়, so then that will be an worst case of operation, but that is quite unnatural, right? তুমি 18টা ধরো 16টা বিট নিয়েছো, সব কটাই 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and along with 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 করে 16টা বিটের সঙ্গে 16টা বিট অ্যাড হচ্ছে, ওই চান্সটা থাকার চান্স খুবই কম। দুটো সেম বিট সেম অপারেন্ট তুমি অ্যাড করছো, there is a very less amount of chance is that, right? For rest of the case it is a little bit faster, but the circuit complexity is even more একটু বেশি। Okay, and all the fast adders are having the little bit such kind of problem that the circuit complexity is little bit more compared to simple RC adders. Simple RC adder থেকে এদের circuit complexity একটু বেশি থাকে। Am I clear this one? The carry skip adder. Carry skip adder. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now, the last one, last topic for today is barrel shifter. Barrel shifter. What is that? It's a combinational circuit. Shifting generally comes for the term called sequential circuit. যেখানে সময়ের রেসপেক্টে শিফটিং করানো হয়, with respect to time we shift the data. But barrel shifter is such kind of a circuit for which we shift it combinational way. That means the circuit is a simple MSI chip circuit. What's the sequence or what the way? A barrel looks like this, right? A cylinder kind of thing. It's a barrel, right? Wine barrel, right? Now, how it is shifted, right? Generally, it is not shifted in this way. এইভাবে ঠেলে সরানো হয় না, generally এটাকে শুইয়ে দেওয়া হয় and then we roll it, right? So something like this is happening, right? এটাকে শুইয়ে দেওয়া হয় and then we roll it. We roll this thing, right? এটাকে roll করানো হয়. Suppose there are 4 points. Likely A0, A1, A2 and A3. So after each rolling, what will happen? So this A3 will come up. So the next case, something like this. My drawing is very poor. So first A3 will come. This A3 will come up. A0 will come here. A1 will come here. A2 will come here, right? Next is something like this. Then A2 will come up. A2, A3, A0, A1, right? So the rolling is going on, right? This rolling is going on continuously. এইভাবে roll করছে ব্যাপারটা. And next is again this A1 will come up, A1 followed by A2 followed by A3 followed by A0. This is the next rolling. Again, if you roll, it will come like this. Again, come to initial stage as A0, A1, A2, A3, right? একই রকম আবার চলে আসবে, the 4 points. So that is something like the barrel shifting process. Now, suppose we are having four outputs. Four outputs are there. These are the 4 points. A four chatte point hoche chatte output. Okay. These outputs are y3, y2, y1, y0. Okay. So something maybe it's starting in this way. It is maybe A3, A2, A1, A0. A position initially zero. So that means this position, this is actually your y3, y2, y1, y0, right? Okay, না না এইদিকে y3, y2, y1, y0 এই চারটে পজিশন এইভাবে আছে, ঠিক আছে? Now how it will rotate? So next A3 will come to the position of A2, right? So A3 টা এখানে চলে আসবে, A2 will come right here, A1 will come right here, A0 will revert, will come to this position, A0. Okay. Again the same thing, A0 will come here, A3 will come here, A2 will come here, and A1 will come back here, right? Again একই রকম ভাবে A1, here it is A0, here it is A3, and A2 will come back again, right? Again যদি আমরা করি, so then A2 will come here, that is the first one, A1 will come here, that is the first one, A2 will come here, that is the first one, and A3 will come back again. So that means again the same thing is happening. So I am having 4 rotations, চারটে rotation হলো. How can we get this one? With a simple multiplexer circuit. Multiplexer দিয়ে কিভাবে করা যায়? Obviously 4 outputs require 2 select lines S0, S1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So let the output something like this. এইরকম আসছে আমার, চারটে মাল্টিপ্লেক্সার লাগবে, will require 4 multiplexer. So that is no shift, we can say it is no shift, যেমন আছে তেমন. It is 1 bit barrel shift, we can say 1 bit barrel right, so you can say it is right shift barrel আর কি, ঠিক আছে? This is 2 bit right shift. This is 3 bit right shift. Why barrel? Because the last bit is not discarded. অনেক সময় এরকম শিফটিং ও হয়, A3, A2, A1 এলো, but A0 is discarded, বেরিয়ে গেল, আমি তার বদলে একটা নতুন বিট এখানে আনলাম, ঠিক আছে? But here it is rotating, A0 টা আবার এখানে ব্যাক করে আসছে, so that is why it is rotating. So and it is, that's why it is called barrel shifting. Make sure about this one, এই জন্য এটাকে barrel shifting বলে. Okay, it's not a simple shifting. Simple shifting এর ক্ষেত্রে just ডেটাটা শিফট হয় and the final data may be discarded and initially we are having another data, but here it is rotating. Okay, rotate করছে. So how can we make this one? এটা কিভাবে করতে পারি? Obviously for each and individual output y3, y2, y1, y0 এগুলোর জন্য আমাদের চারটে multiplexer লাগবে, will require 4 multiplexers. So we'll be getting 4, একটা, দুটো, তিনটে, finally চারটে. Okay, all the multiplexers are having same S0, S1. All the multiplexers are having same S0, S1. প্রত্যেক কটাতে same S0, S1 select line দেওয়া আছে. All the multiplexers are having the same S0, S1. The first multiplexer is having Y3 output. Second multiplexer is having Y2. Third multiplexer Y1. And the fourth multiplexer is having Y0 output. Okay. So 2 select lines. So that means there would be 4 number of data lines, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2 3 0 1 2 3 fine. Okay, now what to do, কিভাবে এটা আঁকবো? Make sure for 0 0 operation 0, all 4 zeros will be selected, right? All 4 zeros will be selected যখন আমার 0 0 operation হবে। So that time কি থাকবে আমার A3 A2 A1 A0। So for 0 positions I should have A3 A2 A1 A0, right? A3 A2 A1 A0, so there will be having A3 A2 A1 A0, right? Okay, now if it is 0 0, fine, so A3 will come out, A2 will come out, A1 will come out, A0 will come out, right, as it is. If it is 0 1, that means this value is 0, this value is 1, তখন কি আসবে? Y3 তে আসবে A0, তারপরেরটাতে আসবে A3, তারপরটা আসবে A2, তারপরটাতে আসবে A1, right? So A3, sorry, A0 will come, A0 will come to 1, A0 will come to 1 for the first case, তাহলে A0 এখান দিয়ে বেরোবে। নেক্সট এরটাতে বেরোবে A3, Y2 তে A3 যাবে, so A3 will come to the next এটা, okay, so this A3 will come to the next one, okay. A2, next এরটাতে A2 যাবে, so this A2 will come to the next, এখানে যাবে, and last এরটাতে A1, so this A1 will come to the next one, হলো। নেক্সট এরপরে 1 0 তে কি হবে? 1 0 তে 2 will be selected, তো সেখানে কি কি আছে? A1 A0 A3 A2, তাহলে ফার্স্ট এরটাতে কি আসবে? A1, so here A1 should be selected, A1, right? This is the A1 should be selected. তারপরটাতে কি আছে? A0, so here A0 should be there, A0 কোন লাইনটা টেনেছি? এই লাইনটা টেনেছি, right? So here A0 will come, okay, A0 will come here. তারপরটাতে কি আসবে? A3, so A3 is this line, so I am dragging it, A3 come to this line, এই লাইনটাতে A3 আসবে, and finally A2, A2 আসবে এটাতে, what is A2? A2 এই লাইনটা টেনেছি, this line, so this A2 will again come to this line, 2 number, last A2 A1 A0 A3, so এখানে আসবে A2 1 1 এর ক্ষেত্রে, if it is 1 1 then Y3 will be getting A2, A2 কোথায় আছে? এইটা A2, right? So I am getting that one directly, A2, right? A2, তারপরেরটাতে কি আসবে? A1, so Y2 will be getting A1, A1 কোনটা? এইটা A1, right? So this is A1, this is A1, right? তারপরটা কি আছে? A0, so this will be A0, A0 line কোনটা? এইটা A0, so this is A0, আর লাস্টেরটাতে চলে আসবে A3, so this is the A3 line which will come to the last one, as simple as that. এইটা করতে হবে। Okay, so this is the circuit for a barrel shifter using 4 multiplexer unit, 4টে multiplexer unit দিয়ে একটা আমি barrel shifter করেছি, and you can say S0 S1 when both are 0 0 0 0, মানে 0 0, then y3 will be a3, y2 will be a2, y1 will be a1, and y0 will be a0, right? If it is 0, 1, that means S0 is 1, S1 is 0. Then we are having A0, then followed by A3, followed by A2, followed by A1, and so on. But you have to just put this particular truth table accordingly. You need to just connect. Initially connect করবে 0 সঙ্গে A3, A2, A1, A0, তারপর একটা একটা করে শিফট যা লেখা আছে সেই অনুযায়ী ধরে ধরে খালি জাস্ট কানেক্ট করে দেবে। It is as simple as that. Okay. And the operation is something like this. Here 1 bit barrel shift, barrel right shift, 2 bit barrel right shift. These are actually barrel shift. Make sure barrel shift. Okay. All these are actually barrel shift. এবার আমি যেমন 1 bit shift চাইছি or 2 bit shift চাইছি or 3 bit shift চাইছি, that's up to this. Okay. So this is something a barrel shifter, a combinational data shifter. আমি shifting করতে পারি এটাতে। Shifting operation is very much necessary. In many cases, many applications are there where we require to shift the data. Okay, data এক জায়গা থেকে অন্য জায়গায় shift করিয়ে নিয়ে যেতে হবে। So for that, barrel shifter is always necessary. Many algorithms are there. Many, your encryption can be done with the help of this. আমি 3 bit barrel shift করলাম, আমার ইনিশিয়ালি ডেটাটা ছিল এটা, আমি 3 bit barrel shift করলাম, করে আমি ডেটাটাকে এনকোড করে ফেললাম। যে ডেটাটা ছিল সেই ডেটাটা কিন্তু আর থাকলো না, ডেটাটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেল। এখানে হয়তো আমার 0101 ছিল, সেটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেল। That is something encoding you have performed, right? So it is also included in, it is also necessary for encoding purpose. Encoding ও করা হয় অনেক সময়তে। Also in many cases shifting is necessary. Shifting অনেক সময়তেই দরকারি হয়, and this is actually a combinational shifter. No timing is there. Timing এর কোনো দরকার নেই এখানে, which is sequential. So sequential circuit is not included right here. So we are actually using some combinational circuit for shifting. Any query for barrel shifter? Any query for barrel shifter? Okay.
No, sir.
Fine. This is the first time